Hey guys, it's Roblox Prime Minister. Today, we're going to be learning top 10 tricks and tips in natural disaster survival from Roblox. Okay, step 1. Get a green balloon like I have. It's very helpful. If you're on top of a high, store or a jail, I'm just saying like a high platform, this balloon can actually help. It'll just give you a tiny bit of damage. It won't kill you. It'll just give you a tiny bit of damage. Anyway, step 2 is going to be in the following round. Alright, step 2 should be in a couple of seconds. Okay, here we are at Rakish Refinery. Step 1, go to tall structures when you see it. If you see the tallest, go to the tallest structure. If you see it, and climb to the top of it. But if it's a thunderstorm, for example, you can always use your trusty green balloon to survive. You take a medium damage, but while jumping from like a really high. It's a tsunami. See, I'm lucky. Alright, I'm at higher ground. So once I get to the top, I am gonna just stay there. Alright. And I jump. I'm gonna jump up. Whoa. Ah! I dropped a giant hole. That's gonna make you die. If you're falling down, that's a different story. If you're jumping, that's not a different story. Not at all. You jump, and then you wait for it to flow you down. So it might not flow you down sometimes. Like the time, when I just fell down the hole. Anyway, we're just waiting for step 3. Again, step 3 should start in a couple of seconds. Only one survivor. Jeez Louise. That's a pretty tough disaster. Only one survivor. Not even me. Jeez. Same course again. can't wait to see what the next one is. Anyway, I'm going to listen to step 2, climb to the taller structure, which is a refinery. Well, I don't know what to call it, but it's like a big tower. Anyway, as you can see, I think I'm the only person on here. Nope, I ain't. Anyway, I'm just going to stay here, do all the dance steps in case of a tornado. That's what step 3 is going to be about. It's a tornado! Jeez Louise. I had to jump off the tall platform so that way I can survive. See, step 3 is jump off the tallest. If you listen to step 2, go to the tallest structure you can find and climb to the top of it. Well, during step 3, tornado launch, that is impossible. A tornado always, if it's a tornado, the tornado will always aim for the tallest structure. So, get off the tallest structure with your green balloons. As you can see, that little orange color over there on the top right hand corner, that indicates my house. I'm still alive. Ah, I got stunned. Ah, stupid glitches. What am I gonna do? What the? Glitches are so annoying. I lost my eye. I lost my rainbow chains. Jeez. While we're waiting, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refill your house without any Robux. But you have to be on course. So make sure to be on course at all times if you want to refill your house. I know the quickest way to refill house. Well, there's 2 ways to refill your house. On course and off course. The off course is better though. Okay, step 4. Alright. Step 4 is get inside. If you see a tall building, get inside it. It's obviously gonna mean a blizzard or a thunderstorm or anything else you can think of. Oh, a tornado. No, that wouldn't happen. It's obviously gonna be a blizzard or a thunderstorm or acid rain or a deadly virus. Because people, they always go to step 4. Always, 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 always. So your best situation is to stay. Anyway, never mind. Anyway, as you can see, I am standing on top of this red button with a bunch of sparkles. As you can see, it's slowly refilling my health bar on the top right corner. That was also step 5. Step 6 is gonna come in a while. Step 6 should start in a while. Well, just a few seconds. All right. I could see the glitch caused my green balloon to go away. But luckily, there might be a little bit of a glitch that I can use for powers. Anyway, step 6 is a little secret from Modest headquarters. See this? This is a classroom. You're going to see a big hole in the ground. You might want to explore it. It's safe. It's safe during blizzards and acid rain and other stuff. Blizzard, acid rain, and other stuff that, go with blizzards and acid rain. Oh, it's fire. Step 7 is if there is a giant building and it's gonna enter the fire, get away from the building immediately. Fires always start at the biggest buildings. See, I was right. Fire coming from the giant building. See, this balloon gave me some, as I was saying, this balloon gave me some powers to jump, for my jumps to land slowly, but I move a lot slower. So it could just be that I put it into slow-mo. Oh, fire there. Hint. Trees are a helpful source. Trees are a helpful source of surviving when standing on them during a fire. We're waiting for step 8. It should start in a few seconds. The last 2 steps? Well, I didn't get to them, but this is at the end.